Everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys a flip through of my cute little bee journal that I have here. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. All right. So what I have here is this cute little, I would call it boho style. Like a little boho style, just little journal, little bee journal that I made. And it will be in my Etsy shop. So I'll try to get that in there today for you guys. If you want to come check it out. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind happening here. And it has the bees. I called it my bee journal because I did a bunch of yellow through it and some bees throughout. And then I did some butterflies. So it's got a little bit of butterflies throughout because I love butterflies. And so I just incorporated some of that in it, and let's get started here. So it comes with this pretty yellow fabric tie, and I just kind of frayed the edges here, and I sewed it all together, just the strips. I did some sewing to sew it together, so it's really long. You can wrap it a couple times. Even after you fill this little guy up, you definitely have lots of room here, because this thing is long. Okay, and I just did some sewing just to attach it together, like that. Okay, so that's just cotton fabric. And first thing is the little journal that comes off of the front. And I put a little charm on it, a little button, some clusters, and this is hand sewn. So I did some slow stitch throughout here, stitching some fabrics together. Okay, and then just some fun fabric behind it. And then you open it up, and it's bee journal. It's a little bee journal. So the decals, or the die cuts, sorry, I keep calling them decals. So if I say decal, I mean die cut. So the die cuts throughout are from my Cricut, and I just did a little design and got it cut out on a manila envelope, or little folder, you know, the manila folders. Okay, and this one comes out, and this is from Tim Holtz, just some Tim Holtz scrapbook paper throughout, and that's what will be throughout the whole journal. So I thought that was a cute little tag. Okay, and then just some craft paper, avocado dyed paper, onion dyed paper, and I could post a link below how I dye the paper and stuff. And I just did some cute little bee stamps throughout, just these little fun little bees, little bumblebees buzzing around. And then on each signature I went and put just some little beads hanging, just some fun beads dangling. And I did that throughout the big journal. So yeah, so this is just a fun little journaling little booklet, and I just sewed a bunch of, or I took it and glued a bunch of fabric, just different fabric down for the back of it. And this is made with a little paper bag, the end of a paper bag. And in the comments below, I'm curious if you guys would be interested on how to learn how to make this kind of journal. This is my first one I've ever made, so I kind of just winged it. And I really like the way it turned out. And yeah, I wouldn't mind doing like a series to show you guys, and like as we could decorate pages together throughout and stuff, and I could just show you guys and do like a playlist. But I would like to know in the comments before I do those, if I get enough comments down below that you guys would be interested in it, then I would definitely do that for you guys. So please, even if you just say yes, bee journal, or you know, just something easy down in the comments, so that would let me know that you guys are interested, and I would go ahead and do that for you guys and show you guys how I made this. So that's just the front. Okay, and then just more collaging. I did a little bulb pin with some little beads on it, and some lace cluster with some dyed, you're going to see avocado, onion dyed paper throughout, and some corrugated, just cardboard, and some more Tim Holtz scrap paper. So I just did a little collage here, and yeah, you're going to see laces and fabrics and all kinds of meshy stuff. Did some sewing in the background here. So yeah, that's the cover of it here. Right there. Okay, and then this is the inside. And I just did a little belly band and did some stenciling throughout. And another Tim Holtz little card. Okay, music paper. And then this is my handmade paper with botanicals in it and some just cotton rope and stuff I put throughout. So this is what and then my, my rose bush petals and just stuff like that. And some wheat and stuff from the field. Yeah, so this is just handmade paper that I did. And I did a tutorial for you guys just the other day on the tea bags. So I will post that below. All the links or all the things I mentioned, I will post below for you guys so you come check it out. But this is the tea bags that I did, one of them. And it's really fun. You could see through as you put it in, like that. So all these little fun ephemeras and stuff will come with it, with the journal. Okay. So there we go. We got that. And I did a little butterfly corner pocket with some stamping, a Tim Holtz stamp, avocado, index card. And then this is the middle of the signature with some, and I did gesso. So the white stuff, I did some gesso, just kind of finger smushed it all around. And in the middle of the signature, I did a couple little beads, just little tiny beads. Some washi tape. Little alligator index card that avocado dyed. And, oh, I gotta put something right there. I'll get something here. This is a little pocket that's at the top of the coloring pages, those fun just coloring pages and stuff. It had this at the top, and I thought it'd be cute for a pocket. So I'll find something fun to put there. I'll do a little journal card or something. Probably Tim Holtz. So I'll do that. And some inking around, and some bubble bees, some more handmade paper. Okay. And this was just fun. This is just a little, I used like a little cardboard thing and had some lace hanging. And I did beads. This pretty necklace I had. I'm doing it all throughout this journal just to hang off the lace and stuff. So it's just really pretty. So it's all dangly. And a little collage at the top here. So there's that. And then some ruffles with some bee material. So I got bee material all throughout, different kinds. And I did some gesso on top of it and some sewing behind it and stuff. So yeah, just some fun little collages. And this is super fun. It's a cute little, just made out of linen. Like a tea, it's kind of like a tea cloth is what it is. And I sewed this cute little bag here. And I will put some fun little goodies in there. Just some cute little ephemeras will go in here. And it's just a cute little cloth fabric envelope with some lace on the front. Like that. And a little button and stuff on the front. So that just goes in the journal. And I just kind of flip it over the page here. Just flip it over like that. And some more handmade paper. And then this is just a little cute flip out. With some, actually it's this, sitting right here. But it's just a cute little coloring book. And it's got all kinds of, I got it from my mother-in-law. She gave it to me. And it's just a cute little interest pages in it. So I made a little flip out with it. And a little some journaling spots right here. So that just flips out. Handmade paper, dyed paper, some more Tim Holtz, a little pocket, some stamping and sewing. It's just a little journal card. So it goes there, a little button. And some more of the beads, necklace. So you'll see this throughout. Okay. And then I did some more these beads. A little journal card. Tim Holtz, of course. So I did that with a little belly band here. Okay. Ooh. And then this is in my tea bag video. I show you guys how to put the die cut inside the tea bag. So I show you guys how to go do that. So I'll put the link below, like I said, and you guys go check that out. And a little sewing around the top part here. And some more hand stitching. So I do some, just some little slow stitch in it. So that'll be throughout, and like a little cluster. And then I also do sewing machine sewing in the back. So there we go. I just kind of put this in here. I don't want it to fall out. So there we go. Like that. And then this is just a little fun pocket. I just stapled these together. More Tim Holtz. Like that. Some journaling spots. And that just tucks right up in here. Just like that. And then did a video on this with you guys. The decoupage. This is part of the tea bag video. So it's 3 ways to do, you know, use a tea bag in your journals. And this is on the back of a calendar. And I did a little decoupage and some stamping. And this is the calendar. And I also show you guys how to take the shine out of a calendar or magazine pages or like shiny garden book pages or, you know, pages like that. And I will put that link below so you guys come see how to take the shine out. There's a fun little home remedy you can use. And more beads. More beads. Okay, and then that's the back of it with the tea bag and some stamping. And I put the decal, see, I'm going to say decal. Die cut. I don't know why I do that. The die cut from the Cricut machine. I put that onto the calendar because it's the back of the calendar here. And I put it on the calendar first, then decoupaged the tea bag over the top and did some stamping. So it's underneath, so it's kind of cool. It feels really neat. Okay. And some more ruffles, and then bee fabric, and then some pattern paper. I got that in here sewn back behind with some collaging on avocado paper. So, and then more necklace beads. We got those. Those are fun, little danglers. Okay. And another little flip out here. Some washi tape and then some journaling spot here. You have to open it up. There's some dyed paper and some stenciled paper. And then some more beads. So yeah, more stamping. And then some gesso. Okay. And this is the back, some more journaling spots and some just sewing around, interest, stamping, and as you can see, some more bee fabric. And tons of journaling spots in here for you guys. And yeah, I took the shine out of this. This is just a gardening book. So I took the shine out of that one. And then this is just a fun interest coloring page that I avocado dyed. And put some beads. Some more fun little danglers here. We got lots of little danglers. Okay, and some inking around. And I used vintage photo and walnut stain. So either one's throughout this. It's just the distressed oxide. I think it's probably a lot of it's vintage, but that looks like walnut. So it could be vintage photo or the walnut. Okay. And avocado. Some more fun stamping. And on the last page, I did fabric. I had a fabric with a bee on it and did a cluster. So that's up here with some threads and just some threads that I sewed this journal with and let some loose threads hang in and little ruffle and yeah, so that's fun. And then some more stenciling on the back here, and you can see the loose threads. I just kind of keep them dangling, and you can cut them off if you want. And just a little fun bulb pin with some dangly on the back here. Yeah, so just some interest. Little fun little danglers. So there's tons of danglers, tons of lace and fabric and papers and just all kinds of stuff, beads and buttons, and just fun little things you guys can decorate and get some inspiration out of. And did some of the spine here, I used more bee fabric just to close it off here. So yeah, and then this one goes right on top. And then there we go. So this, like I said, this will be on my Etsy shop. So you guys come check it out. Even if you're not coming to purchase, it helps me if you come favor my shop and just hit the heart button, and then you'll see everything that I post when I add new things to my Etsy shop. You'll see what I put in there, and it'll just, you know, let you know. So that helps me out a lot too. So if you guys like this video, I would love it if you put a thumbs up and hit the thumbs up button. It helps me a lot. It gets my channel out there more. And make sure to comment down below if you guys are interested in me making this. And I could do, you know, we could do like a series on it, and I'll show you how to do different pages and collages and putting it together, and we could just do, you know, different episodes of it, series. And yeah, so leave a comment below, and that just helps me get my channel out there more so everybody can come see it and enjoy the fun junk journaling adventures that we go through. And keep on crafting, guys.